Welcome to this course of AZ204, Developing Solutions for Microsoft Azure. Earlier, Microsoft was having AZ203 certification for Azure developers, but recently it has been transitioned to AZ204. My name is Ranjan Pandey and I am a Microsoft certified trainer having 11 plus years of training and industry experience. I am certified on AZ204 and have been working on Azure since last 5 years and have developed several applications for Fortune 500 companies globally. If you have any query related to this course, please feel free to reach out to the FlexMind team. Who can do this certification? Anybody with at least 1 year of experience developing web application can attend this course. Let's see that what are you going to learn as part of this course. This course has overall 13 modules. Let's take a quick look on what are we going to cover in each module. In module 1, you will learn about Azure App Service core concepts, how to create an Azure App Service app, scaling app service using auto scaling feature, how to use deployment slots in the Azure App Service. You will also learn how to use Visual Studio to deploy your applications onto the Azure web app. In module 2, you will learn about implementing Azure Functions. Azure Functions lets you develop serverless application on Microsoft Azure and run small pieces of code in the cloud by using a consumption plan. We'll also learn how to write stateful functions in a stateless environment using durable functions. In module 3, you will learn about the core concepts of Azure Blob Storage and how to use policies to manage the Azure Blob Storage lifecycle. You will learn how to work with Azure Blob Storage programmatically using the .NET SDK. In module number 4, you will learn about Azure Cosmos DB to implement NoSQL database related solution. Cosmos DB gives you the advantage of global distribution and use different consistency levels based on the requirement of the application. You will learn how to work with request units in Cosmos DB. In module 5, you will learn about implementing infrastructure as a service solutions using Microsoft Azure. You will learn how to provision virtual machines in Azure, how to create and deploy ARM templates, how to use Docker to create container images for solutions, publish a container image to Azure Container Registry, create and run container images in Azure Container Instances. In module number 6, you will learn about user authentication and authorization. You will learn about Microsoft Identity Platform 2.0. You will also learn how to implement authentication using the Microsoft Authentication Library, how to use Microsoft Graph programmatically. In module 7, you will learn about how to implement secure cloud solutions using Azure Key Vault. You will learn how to manage keys, secrets, and certificate by using the Key Vault API. You will also learn how to implement managed identities for Azure resources, secure app configuration data by using Azure App Configuration. In module number 8, you will learn about implementing API management. You will learn how to define policies for APIs and secure your APIs using API management. In module number 9, you will learn how to develop app services using Logic Apps. Now, Logic App is a cloud service that helps you schedule, automate, and orchestrate tasks, business processes, and workflows when you need to integrate apps, data, systems, and service across enterprises or organizations. Module number 10, you will learn about developing event-based solutions and how to implement solutions that use Azure Event Grid, Azure Event Hub, and Azure Notification Hubs. In module number 11, you will learn about developing messaging-based solutions. You will learn how to implement solutions that use Azure Service Bus and Azure Queue Storage. Azure Service Bus is a cloud messaging system for connecting apps and devices across public and private clouds. In module number 12, you will learn about monitoring and optimizing Azure solutions. You will learn how to use Azure Monitor and Application Insight to analyze and troubleshoot apps. In module number 13, you will learn about integrating caching and content delivery network within solutions. You will learn how to use Azure Cache for Redis to improve the performance of your application by increasing its responsiveness and enabling it to handle increasing loads with less web compute resources. You will learn in detail about Azure Content Delivery Network and how to use it in web applications, storage, and cloud services. At the end of each module, you will be doing a lab provided by Microsoft through GitHub. I will also keep presenting demos as and when required. So we have a lot of things to learn. I welcome you to this AZ204 certification course. See you in module 1.